jẹ lórílẹ̀ Agege ẹ̀ ní táwọn náà ẹ̀ ní gbówó tì o ajé èèyàn máa ń wá lọ ní wọ́n lè wá lọ sí ìlú òyìnbó wọ́n lè wá lọ sí Ghana wọ́n lè wá lọ síbikíbi ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin ajé máa wọ ayé rí o ẹ̀ ní tààkàkẹ́ tó rówó o ẹ̀ ní tààkàkẹ́ tó rówó o ẹ̀ ní lọ́kọ̀ọ́kọ́ tó rí mi o ọdún tó bóyá báàlà lè gbà wá àwọn lọ́wọ́ fíìdì ńlá tá a máa fẹ́ra wa sí. Àwọn wá fíìdì tó kẹnu àwa ń lọ síbẹ̀ nítorí pé a ti ń gbòòrò láàrin pẹ̀lú àti ṣe ẹnu ẹ̀ tó ṣe mí o láàrin sọ̀rọ̀ jù nítorí àwọn program tí wà nílẹ̀ náà ṣú lọ nítorí èdè alábòrú sí mi o èyí tí mo wí yẹn tó bá jẹ́ pé bí Ọlọ́run ṣe ṣe nìyẹn tí kò yí padà láti gbà tó ti dá ayé àti ọ̀run tó wá fi gbogbo sábẹ́ àkóso ènìyàn láti máa ṣe ìdarí ètò bàbá àkàlẹ́ o.
Again, in the age of wealth and prosperity, and play a crucial role in the cultural and spiritual life of the Yoruba people. Against the basic in Yoruba mythology associated with wealth, commerce, economic success, in worship of Agege deities back in centuries, reflecting the importance of trade and economic prosperity in Yoruba society. This annual festival was established to honor the Agege deities, seeking a blessing for wealth, success in business, and the overall prosperity of the community. It celebrates economic prosperity, reinforces the value of hard work, community unity, and spiritual well-being. Essence of celebration of Ọdún Agege. Celebrating Ọdún Agege, the Wealth Festival annually, is primarily to appreciate the deities in charge of wealth creation. It is also to exploit the natural joy, abundant fortune that wealth symbolizes. For instance, in the spiritual realm, wealth is one of the most powerful deities. It is control of everything that is good or bad. That is one of the reasons for celebrating Wealth Festival of Ọdún Agege. So as we celebrate the festival today, we are advancing the cause of promoting our cultural identity. We are aligning with the spirit of wealth, at the same time seeking abundant blessing and wealth from the spiritual realm. By understanding and participating in Ọdún Agege Wealth Festival, we are appreciating the rich cultural heritage of the Yoruba people and the enduring significance is to seek blessing for wealth and economic success. It is our belief that the honoring Agege brings prosperity to our business and financial ventures. Cultural preservation. This festival helps to preserve and promote Yoruba cultural practice through music, dance, ritual, and to maintain our rich traditions and pass them to the future generation. Community unity. Agege Festival brings together people from different walks of life fostering sense of community and collective well-being. It's a time of communal celebration where people unite to honor Agege and seek common blessing. Spiritual significance. Festival has deeply spiritual meaning, emphasizing the connection between the material and spiritual worlds. It acknowledges the true prosperity and encompasses both economy. Orile is usually signposted by various activities that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the Yoruba people. Some of these activities include traditional music and dance, economic activities, traditional music, dance and festival culture and performance of traditional Yoruba music. And dance by celebrating cultural heritage of the community. As the talking drums and other musical instruments are played, dancers for performing honor Agege. Economic activities, market and trades are organized during the festivals, showcase local crafts and other products. The event highlights the economic aspect of the festival and promote local businesses. Pioneering the celebration of Orile Agege, when we started celebrating Orile Agege Wet Festival in 2013 at Onigbongo in Nigeria. It was not this popular and widely accepted, but with the Almighty on our side, with our consistent and commitment over the years, the festival has now gained popularity and become a very common across Southwest. This important festival is now celebrated multiple times across Yoruba land, with special references to Orile Agege, where His Imperial Majesty Oba Editor Ogunwusi Ojaja now celebrates Orile Agege annually. As the festival is being celebrated, the process is helping multiply the wealth of the Yoruba land and make us prosper as a people. I must let you know that the more we celebrate the spirit behind Agege, the more they pour wealth onto our land and make our people prosper. This is one of the strategic secrets of the Asians. They do not discontinue this continent. It's important till sometime in the 19th century. The economy of most of the Asian countries were worse than what we have in Nigeria now. But when they began their cultural revolution, they started protecting their identity, their culture and tradition, protecting them for the entire world. Not to see nations. For instance, there is hardly any nation in the world that don't have trade and commerce relation with China. Many nations of the world not only trade with China, but also borrow money from China. Most of the Asian nations protect and project their culture and tradition. They do not allow the practice of religion to discourage them or relegate the practice of culture and tradition in the background and today. They are better for it. The truth is that the practice of religion and culture and tradition do not go in hand in hand. And learn from the example. This is the way to go if we must preserve our heritage, and more importantly, if we must truly prosper as a people and as a nation. Away from China, another good example of preservation of culture and identity we are seeing in the United Arab Emirates, Qatar and Saudi Arabia, when President Donald Trump paid state visit to those countries. We saw how the beauty of their culture and tradition, dressing as well, represented and projected through the various attires, adorned by the hosts of men and girls. Ladies line up as part of the welcome entourage of President Trump. in Nigeria that people adorn in traditional altar attire, which is part of our rich culture, were included in the welcome entourage of the visiting president. The airline, they describe it as a sort of showing illiteracy and backwardness. Our airline must stop associating the rich culture and traditional practices we inherited with backwardness and illiteracy to showcase our culture to the world at every opportunity. By today's celebration, I want to encourage us all to immensely ourselves and take advantage of all the good things that this year festival has offered us. Happy celebration of Orile Agege.
Bale ba fọta lẹ́nu wọn.